Electoral Commissioner, Edo State, the Deputy Governor-elect, Edo State, Governor of Edo State, Party APC. Gentlemen, it is my 2024. You are most welcome to this epoch. To the Honorable Chairman, Kule Ajayi, and we have the Honorable Secretary.
Honorable Pesos.
On behalf of the National Commission, INEC, I present to you this certificate.
Okay, Honorable.
Okpebholo
Yes, guys, Dominic.
On behalf of the Commission, INEC, I present to you this certificate of.
This way. Okay. Smile.
This way, sir.
Don't go yet. Just three of you. Hey!
Photo. Hey!
Can we see the photo? Sir, please, can we see the certificate? It's better.
All right, so can we step back forward? Yes, sir. Yes, just quick one here.
Thank you very much. Congratulations. We bring succor to the people of Edo State. God using you as an instrument to guide us. Congrats. Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Are we ready? Hey, quiet.
One question.
One question. How do you feel about this? Okay, wait. Okay, Excellency, you just been presented with the field of return. How happy are you today, sir? And what does the field from you, sir?
Sir, how do you feel about this?
I feel very happy because Edo people have spoken, and now it's time for me to go and do the work for them. That is what they elected me to do, and that is what I'm going to do.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I believe you can feel my feelings, right? I mean, for us, it's a new dawn. We have, when a lion moves into your home and start destroying your property and eating up, beating human beings and eating up your animals, and you can do nothing. The power of democracy is that because the process is tenured, when it is time, the ordinary people will now have the potency to make a verdict about the tenure of Governor Obaseki, and the verdict is loud and clear. And for me, it is not my personal feeling that is important now. That should be obvious. The important thing that I'm happy about is that Edo people now have a new governor who will not disrespect the people of Edo State. We now have a new governor who will not send pregnant women to prison and they deliver in prison and die in prison. Over 20,000 naira mobile court fine. We now have a governor who understands that for the child of a cassava farmer to rise to become a senator or to become an engineer or a doctor, that he must employ teachers in schools to teach all the science subjects and build schools that will appeal to the young minds. We now have a governor who, rather than doing MOU, impact assessment and all that, we go and build all of those roads that have completely bad shape in Edo State, reclaim the drainages so that Edo people can look forward to rainy season. We now have a governor who will respect our traditional institution, which is the heart of our culture. We now have a governor who will not be fighting over artifacts, right? But rather he will be fighting over what is good for Edo people. We now have a governor who will not demolish a hospital and replace it with a museum. We now have a governor who understands the value of education and will not destroy libraries and replace it with a market. I mean, we can go on and on. For me, this is what excites Edo people. And once Edo people are happy, having had the rare privilege to pretend over that state, I'm happy that they have reclaimed their state from the lions that came from, because the mark on himself, the iron. Now the iron of Obaseki has been melted with the combined force of Edo North, Edo Central, and Edo South, of Edo people. It can only be sweet. Only very, very sweet. What else? Oh, yes. Oh, I didn't know about our guys here.
What do you want to ask me?
Just tell us your feeling about this victory.
My feeling, you can see it from my face. You know, when your child is kidnapped and taken to the bush, taken to the forest, you know how much it pains you. You will have sleepless night. Edo State was APC state, but later on it was the governor cross-carpeted, a nomadic politician. He cross-carpeted to PDP, and today we fought for it and we have recovered our state. So we are so happy, especially that our governor-elect is an experienced politician, a distinguished senator who has a blueprint for the development of Edo State, and we assure you, you will see great changes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.